What I'm keeping in mind as I cut this hair is two things, shape and shade. Shape will be the overall contour and profile of my haircut. The shade will be in graduation and actual darkness and lightness of hair, color, and length. Now we'll go ahead and work on the top, connecting it with the razor cut I've just cut. Again, saturate the hair, giving me enough moisture to have nice, clean, even partings. So for this part, I'll be working on the top, working nice, clean, horizontal partings using a 5.5 wet cutting shear. I want to keep my partings no thicker than your actual comb. Anything past that, you will start to over-direct too much length, losing consistency in keeping your hair or your client's hair nice and even. As I pull up, I'm going to keep a nice square shape, 90 degrees, horizontal as I work my way back. Again, strong tension, pulling up. Taking my previous cut section to be my guide. Having your front length or your fringe be of longest length. I will take a line of my previously cut section and add it to the section behind it. Again, making sure I stay nice and square in my shape. I don't want to move this right or left because that will change my parting from square to round. I want to keep it nice and square. Look for my previous parting and cut blunt. By doing so, I'm keeping a consistent flow, making sure my work stays clean and even to eliminate having to go back and fix major error. Again, take a line, really push my fringe out the way, pinching onto the hair that I'm holding onto. Head down. As I part, again, no wider than comb width. Find my previous section and connect. The hair starts to dry out, feel free to go back in, add a little bit of saturation. Again, making sure that you keep consistent, clean partings as you work through your hair. Nice even sections like this will guarantee that you won't lose your place in your work. After I gave the initial cut horizontal, I will now go ahead and cross-check vertical. Same thing. Keep it close to about comb width. Again, coming fully square. Coming at a 45-degree angle, point cutting. Very loosely, just to catch the ends. Keeping it nice and square.